Hello friends, I am Dhaval Vora from Department of Electrical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Let us see the course, Renewable Energy Sources. The course coordinator is Narendra C. Rana. Let us try to understand the objectives of the course. So energy security of the country, reducing carbon emission, rural connectivity through standalone systems. Student can understand PV solar based power generation, understanding and construction of different types of power plants and its components, knowledge about initiatives taken by government, knowledge about subsidy provided from government for a rooftop solar power plant. So these are the main objectives of the course where we are going to cover PV solar power generation, construction, and any initiative taken by government and how the carbon is emitted and what we need to do for the same, how we can have the energy security. Now let us try to understand what the course is all about. Till today, installation of PV solar plant has completed only 10 to 20% of its prediction. So we can say there is a huge market in solar field. So there is more to achieve. So tremendous growth is there in this field. Then after joining the course, students will be able to become an entrepreneur in the field of PV solar rooftop power plant. So if any student wants to go to start a small business or startup, so he or she can do the same if they have the knowledge of PV solar rooftop power plant and installation. So the course which is given over here, it is very basic. It is very easy to understand from the students of any stream. Now let us try to understand what we are going to learn within the course. So module 1, introduction to renewable energy sources, review of energy sources, present energy consumption or utilization pattern, environmental impact of fossil fuels, the growth of renewable energy sector and its planning in India, impact of renewable energy on economy, renewable energy for sustainable development, and need for use of renewable energy sources. So by this way, you can have a brief idea about what renewable energy is. Module 2, power generation from solar PV system. And these are the points we need to consider: operating principle, photovoltaic cell concepts, types of solar cells, fabrication known as PV cells, cell module array, SPV system, components and their characteristics, block diagram of general SPV system. Then in module 3, we are going to understand certain things under the category of configuration of solar PV systems. So here two types of systems are available mainly. One is called on-grid, another one is called off-grid. So grid-tied system and stand-alone system. So module 4, power generation from wind energy. So here we need to understand what basic principle of wind energy generation, power extracted from wind, force on blades and ampere turbines, wind energy conversion system, site selection for windmill, applications of wind energy. Module 5, classification of turbines and ampere construction of windmill. Classification of WECS, that is wind energy conversion system. Schemes of electric power generation from wind, block diagram and ampere construction of each block for windmill, types of wind turbines and wind generators, and finally comparison or advantages and disadvantages of WECS. So let us go through the highlights of the course. So it is knowledge of various solar systems, knowledge of various renewable and non-renewable sources of energy, knowledge of wind energy conversion systems, and knowledge of basic design of biogas plant. Thank you very much. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can just call on the number given here. And if you find any further query, then you can also mail with the help of the email ID provided over here. Thank you so much.